Hello, this is Simon Greenhalgh and welcome to this video for the journey. So in this video what I want to do is just give you a sort of introduction to exactly what it is that I'm going to be doing with YouTube over the coming months. Now you need to bear in mind that this is something that I've started. There is a passion project and also a project which I'm working on, which I know is very popular and very big. I'm going to go into some very brief details in this on exactly what it is I'm going to be working on, and then over the coming weeks and months I'm going to break down exactly how I make the videos, how I purchase some things from Fiverr to help with making some of the videos. I'm going to show you how I make things like logos. I'm going to show you how I create all the social accounts that go around the YouTube channel to send traffic in, and I can show you quickly now the sort of kind of results that I've been getting. So the main channel that I'm working on, which is a sort of a passion project, is I like to do cooking. I used to be a chef when I first started out many years ago, and it's something that I do sort of, you know, as a hobby now. So I've been making some videos and using my video making skills. Now there's a combination. I've only been doing this for 1 week and the views are already starting to go up. This video seems to be really picking up. It was only 1 day ago and I've already got 364 views. And if you to go onto the analytics, you can see that I am already, you know, going up with 12 hours watch time within a week. 366 views on this particular one. This one is now starting to sort of being shown to, it's a recent upload. They're all new, they're all recent uploads are new, and they're actually getting really good average view watches, and the impression click-through rate is really good. 1,400 people being shown them. Now if we just go back to the actual channel, I'll show you one way. So one way is obviously that I use some software, which I'm going to show you in other videos when I show you how I actually make these videos. Use some software to optimize the videos for keywords that get searched that are not so competitive, and I use other software like TubeBuddy, which is this one here. So if we were to search for, say, jerk chicken rice and peas, which is a recipe that I did, you can see here that TubeBuddy, which is a Chrome extension, shows you the keywords score, and it shows you that there's a little bit of competition. This keyword is searched so often that it's worth targeting, so that's why I went for this one. And then you can probably, you know, my video will be down there somewhere with it being new, but it is getting searches. Now if we were to go to an incognito window and look for some of the videos that we will make sure we're not signed in. So these are the raw results. So easy jerk chicken rice and peas. See if we can see my video there. Might need to put recipe. Yeah, there you go. So I'm already in like the top 10 or so, top maybe 15, and it's brand new. It's brand new, so that's only going to go up, and that's only going to get better. We can look for easy. This one is a little bit more difficult. Easy butter chicken recipe. I'm not sure whether I'll show for this one. It's very popular because there's lots of Indian uploads which get millions of views, just, you know, due to the size of the country. That one not showing so well for that one. But then if we look at roast chicken dinner recipe, see if we can see myself for this one. No, not on that one. And then there's also Thai basil chicken Thai basil chicken stir fry. There you go, I'm 4th for that one. That is a really famous dish, pad krapao. The top videos you can see 2.1 million video views, 143,000, 186,000. I'm ranking above this one, which is 1.6 million views, and she's a very famous Thai chef on YouTube, and my video is actually ranking above hers for that. And also, as you can see, my shorts. So these are called YouTube shorts. So what this is we're making very short, quick, fast.
Homemade hot sauce. We need chilies, garlic, onions,
fast versions of these videos, and within 60 seconds. And these are perfect for YouTube shorts, which appear on the YouTube news feed. You've probably seen them. They sort of appear differently than the other results, and they appear in a line this way as opposed to scrolling down. And the short 60-second videos, and after you've watched one, it automatically moves to the next one. And that one has managed to get 364 views in just a day. So that will probably grow up. That one will grow quite quickly. Then if you go to my channel, you can see that I'm linking to Instagram. So you can post the videos, the same videos on here, and that's the images of the food, and then that all links back to my link tree, which links to my YouTube, my TikTok. This one here has had 143 views, and again, I only posted it one day ago. These are all brand new as well, so they've got, you know, they're gonna grow. I've got my Facebook page, which obviously I do also post my recipes on my actual YouTube as well. My actual Facebook as well. Twitter I don't really use that much. My Pinterest though, if you look at my Pinterest, so brand new again, but this one you can see I've posted these two here, and already 7,000 views and 166 link clicks on that one, which all linked back to my YouTube. That was where they linked to, and they're just really quick, short videos that are shot in. And you put the ingredients in. Now this is obviously my thing is cooking, but you could do this for anything that you're passionate about, whatever it is that you do in your life that you're passionate about. I'm going to show you how you could make videos, and these sort of 60-second quick videos that you can then post on all of your social media, and you point everything back to your YouTube, and that's how you get the views up, and then that's how you end up being able to register for the monetization. So I've got quite a lot of work to do. These kind of things will usually take weeks or months to do. They're something that you have to do over and over again, and you've got to be very sustainable with it, like a video a week. And then I do these short little videos, the short portrait videos, 60-second ones, which I post to TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, my Facebook, and then send all that traffic back to YouTube, so that I can grow this up, so that I'm eligible for monetization once it gets to that. Now you can also obviously in the videos themselves, depending on what the video is about, you could also post links in the description to maybe build an email list or promote other products. And that's what I'm doing with another channel, which is Dreamcatcher ASMR. If you know anything about what ASMR is, basically the way I'm doing this one is more, it's something that I'm also interested in as well, which is like guided meditations. Now I read these meditation scripts out, and you do it in a sort of a very slow, relaxed voice, which is not really my forte, but I'm giving it a try because I just want to see how this takes off. It's quite hard to get approved for monetization for these, because the videos themselves are, the way we make them are by looping. If I just show you, so I made like a bit of a logo intro, which again I can show you, and then there is,
welcome to a guided meditation,
and then we get what I've done is I've gone to Fiverr, and I have bought guided meditation, I can't spell today, meditation scripts, guided meditation, we'll put script, and you can buy scripts. So I have bought around 40 scripts that range from 10 minutes to 1 hour, and I didn't spend very much money. I spent about $60, and I got 40. Now you can also you could also then go to a voice over recording artist. So guided meditation voiceover, and you could have someone to read one of those scripts, and then I will show you how to loop these background images, where to get the music from. I also went to so relaxing music. You can buy relaxing meditation music. You can even get people who will actually create the whole video for you as well, for cheaper than that, actually. But you can buy like these binaural beats tracks. So I've now got a big selection in my Google Drive of nature sounds, like birds singing, fire crackling, ocean sounds, and then I also use Envato elements. And I'll use that for, say, fire crackling, and could get these stock videos. So let's go for, in fact, we'll go for fire. Now you have to pay for this. It's a, but you can see this fireplace here. So I would show you how to loop that, how to add the fire crackling sound, how to add the voiceover, and how to make a logo reveal, and then how to use other software to optimize the titles and the descriptions. These videos take around about maybe 1 to 2 hours for me to create. I can do one every 2 days, so I'm going to be really building this channel out really quite quickly, and these views again have all just come naturally from within a couple of days. And you need to bear in mind, in the beginning, the YouTube algorithm doesn't really, especially when you've only got one video, these things take time. You know, they take weeks and months for these to build up, but if you keep doing this over and over and over again. Now with this, I'm going to promote ClickBank products. So if we go to ClickBank, people who are interested in this kind of stuff are usually very interested in things like spirituality, numerology, soul manifestation, astro tarot card reading, bioenergy code, these kinds of things. So what I'll be doing is I will be promoting these products, these ClickBank products. I'll be making lots and lots and lots of these videos, and it's a numbers game. So you'll be building lots of these videos and then putting. Now this again would work in any niche. You could go through the ClickBank here, and you could look at different things. You could make, if there's something that you, so let's say you know something about how to build computers, or cooking, or education, or say you can speak several languages. You could create videos about learning different languages and tips and tricks on how to learn languages, and then promote learning language products, that kind of stuff. You need to think about things that you may not think are valuable to you because you take them for granted. However, to somebody else, they're very valuable. And creating channels around this stuff where you're giving information away for free, but then either building an email list or promoting products, or just getting your channel over time registered for the YouTube partner program where you get paid for your views. So it's a long-term business model. It's something that I'm going to be working on very regularly. I'm also working on my internet marketing business as well, which, you know, obviously is inside the journey. I'll be recommending the products that I use. I'll be filling these topics up with, today I'm going to make a content plan. I'm going to try to make a video that goes in here every every 3 days or so, and I'm going to teach everything that I know about all of these different topics. This was just the first video that I wanted to make, just to show you exactly what it is that I'm going to be working on. You know, day to day, I'm going to be working on growing out YouTube channels, so I'm not relying on affiliates, I'm not relying on product launches. You can promote e-commerce products in these channels as well, or build email lists and then promote. You know, there's things like if you were to go to, say, AliExpress, and then let's say you were to look for neck massager, because people who are interested in relaxation are probably also going to be interested in relaxation products. So you could build a store which sells and ships out these relaxation products, or you could, you know, look for meditation products, and you've got these Buddhist bowls, or you would have meditation mats and that kind of thing, which I'm going to be looking at. They're definitely selling. There's also arts that you could sell. There are you know, these figurines or these tapestries, people, or even just the pendants and necklaces and stuff like that as well. There's lots of stuff that we're going to be doing. I am going to be building a store that sells meditation products as well, and I'm going to be promoting that in these videos. Now obviously you're going to have to bear in mind that these projects are going to take weeks and months to take off, but that's what the journey is about. It's a journey. There's not going to be things that are just going to be just going to happen overnight. You've got to put the work in, but there's nothing for you to stop you following along with what I'm doing in niches that you are that are more relevant to you. These are things that I'm interested in: cooking, meditation, that kind of stuff. So this was the first video on the YouTube marketing. I'm going to be sending an email out so that everyone can see this video. There'll be a link in there which will, if you're not already a member of the journey, there'll be, if you're watching this video on YouTube, there'll be a link in the description for you to sign up. It's this community is completely free. We've already got over sort of 50-60 members. Topics, you know, I've got podcasts with some absolutely amazing people, and I've got about 10 on my hard drive that I've yet to actually sort of render into videos and fill up, and I'm going to be adding those as well. So I'm going to be doing podcasts with lots of other people, so I'm going to be adding lots of content, and every time I do, you'll get a notification, or you'll get an email that lets you know that there's a new video that's going to be in there. I'm going to keep this training coming. So again, thanks a lot for watching this video. This is Simon Greenhalgh. Take care. Speak to you soon.